All right, let's talk about it. I am sure you've seen the headlines, the videos, the ads, all promising the same thing. Use AI, start a YouTube channel, and make thousands of dollars a month. It sounds amazing, right? Maybe. A little too amazing. So today we're going to pull back the curtain and actually break down the formula they're selling. And this is the number that makes you stop scrolling. $10,000 every single month. It's such a powerful hook because it's not just money, it's the promise of a different life. One that you can get not by grinding for years, but by using a new, clever system. Honestly, this number is the engine driving this entire conversation. So what we're really looking at here isn't just another online side hustle. Nope, this is about a fundamental change in what a YouTube channel can even be. The whole promise is that you can take the massive global reach of YouTube and mash it together with the insane efficiency of modern AI and create something totally new. To really get our heads around this, we need to start with the core idea that all of this is built on. It's a phrase you've probably heard thrown around a lot, YouTube automation. But what does that actually mean when the rubber meets the road? You know, when we hear a word like automation, it's easy to picture some sci-fi scene, right? Like a robot sitting at a desk, literally editing videos. But that's not quite it. The reality is, well, it's a lot less about robots and a lot more about repeatable systems. And honestly, it's way more accessible than you'd think. At its heart, YouTube automation is a business model. It's about treating a YouTube channel less like a personal diary and more like a small factory. Instead of everything depending on one person being on camera, the entire focus is on the production process itself. The key takeaway here? It's process over presence. It's about building a system that doesn't need a star to shine. Okay, so if automation is the blueprint, where does the AI come in? Well, this is the part that changes everything. AI is the superpowered toolkit that makes this whole content factory idea possible for pretty much anyone with a laptop. And this chart right here, it perfectly explains the two different worlds. In one corner, you have the traditional creator. Their success is totally tied to their personality. They're doing everything by hand, which makes growing or scaling incredibly hard. But the AI-assisted model, it just flips that whole script. The system is the star. AI does all the heavy lifting, which means the channel is literally designed to scale from day one. And we're not just talking theory here. This is real stuff. Think of it like you're putting together an AI production crew. You've got an AI that writes the scripts. You've got another that generates a shockingly human-like voiceover. You've got AI tools that find video clips for you, pick out background music, and even design that perfect must-click thumbnail. Literally, every piece of the puzzle can be handled by an AI tool now. So how does this all come together to hit that big number? Well, when you combine that automation mindset with this new AI toolkit, you get the blueprint for scaling up. This is the how-to part of that $10,000 a month promise. The process itself is really just a simple 4-stage loop that you run over and over. Step 1, use AI to figure out what people are actually watching. Step 2, use your AI crew to generate the actual video. Step 3, and this is crucial, turn it all into a repeatable checklist, a system. And finally, step 4, look at the data, see what hit, and feed that info right back into step 1 for the next video. And that right there is the whole philosophy. It's about taking the messy, unpredictable, sometimes frustrating art of content creation and turning it into a predictable, data-driven machine. The goal is to create something consistent, scalable, and perfectly tuned for what the YouTube algorithm wants to see. So we've laid out the formula. It's a powerful model, no doubt. It's built on systems, powered by AI, and promises unbelievable scale. But it leaves us with this one giant, nagging question. In a world where content can be manufactured like this on an assembly line, what happens to the value of genuine human creativity? What's its role in all this? It's definitely something to think about.